Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LGLD455, a 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass G-body. Picked this thing up from a local impound yard. Got some title work issues with it, otherwise we would be driving this one. Nice, clean G-body. We just don't see these around here in this good a shape. All of this chrome trim is going to be for sale. We're going to be selling it in complete sides. Just the easiest way to solve that. 14-inch Oldsmobile rally wheels. Those are in decent shape. Gonna have a set of 4 of those. Now the bumper's getting to be a little bit hairy, so we're gonna take these off and split them up and see what's good. I believe some of the fillers may be broken on the front and the rear. We're G-body guys though, so we'll get all the good parts off of it. Let's see what the mileage is on this one. 54,000. Let's fire it up. Wow. This has got a 307 under the hood. These are getting hard to find. We're going to be selling this complete. It is a dropout setup, motor, harness, ECU, belt-driven accessories. I don't know. I wasn't a fan of this motor back in the day, but now they are next to impossible to find in the used market. There it is, running well. Let's see if I can check the oil on the dipstick. She needs an oil change, but she's not making any noise yet. I'll just leave that sit there for the moment. Set that down so you guys can check out the hood. Nice chrome on it. Bumper grills are in great shape. Headlight chrome is in good shape. Sorry, we're not going to have a header panel on this one though. Took a nice little bump up there. The interior though is supreme in this one. Driver's door panel in great shape. Get why I said supreme. This is a bucket seat car, which is extremely rare in G-body land. We're gonna have a seat set, that console for sale. I believe we're actually gonna sell a dashboard out of this too. Oh, almost knocked my hat off. We should have a bare dashboard for sale out of this. We'll pull all the trim out, get it all listed for sale. Wow, nice and tight G-body column too. This is a cool car. I like these. No need to test the window regulators because it is your left hand or your right hand. Transmission though, let's see what we got going on here. Shift knob, yeah, there we go. What's the magic to this? What's the magic to the shifter, guys? There we go, I got it. With your finger. Ah, that's kind of hurts. Reverse, right away. It won't let me into drive because I didn't push the little thing. I got it. There we go. Drive. Oh, Mason joined us for the test video.
How's it going, guys?
That's what happens when you got a G-body. People just flock to you. All right, park.
Here.
I got it. This console is in really good shape, though.
Yep, it's going to be all for sale, complete.
I lied.
This guy.
A little bit loose.
It's missing 2 screws.
Oh, missing 2 screws there. Okay.
But look at this. Beautiful.
Oh, cassette holders.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not working, Mason. Way to go.
They worked earlier.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this isn't broken. Literally, the screw riv nuts are still there. Just needs a nice screw put back into it. Let's test the climate control out. Woo.
Oh, it's cold.
Every time, man. Every time. All right, I think that is going to wrap up the test video of LGLD455, our 1986 Oldsmobile Cut Dog Supreme. This is a pretty cool car. I am actually bummed out about the title situation on this one. My wife is probably excited if she's watching this. This is one that's not coming home. If you guys are looking for parts off this or any other G-body, check out our website, www.jnjautoricking.com. We've parted out maybe 15 or 20 of these over the years. We got a bunch of parts on the shelf and in stock. A lot of the chrome, a lot of the hard to find trim, seat sets, stuff you'd really be looking for a restoration on one of these. If you guys don't like the internet, even though you're watching me on it, give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.